It's him and I, Aquemini.
Okay guys, what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm gonna show you what all I have to do when I have to unload a pressure wash jar, no matter if it's concrete or if it's a house wash. I'm gonna set the camera up that way you can see how long it takes me to do this. All right, here we go. Okay, got that hooked up. Let's get some water over here. Yeah, this is what I gotta go through when I unload. I have to untangle this. In. I think I'm downstream this, so we're not going to use the X-Jet since it's not that bad. Just need my ball valve. It's almost time for me to check, change the O-ring. It's almost time for me to change the O-ring, so I'm gonna overlook that for right now. Got that. I'm gonna use the soap tip, which is the black tip. Over here, pressure wash, we're gonna use the soap tip. add some more water to this. So let's do that. Should have did that before I put the hose on. But we can take it off and put it back on. We got everything prepped. Put this in for the downstreamer. So if you have a trailer, you don't have to go through all this. So this right here took an extra 10 minutes just to get this set up. So if you have a trailer, you don't have to go through all this. You can just plug up the hose, pull your hoses out from the reel, and then put everything, and then just start. So you should have been started about 10 minutes ago, almost, because it just, this right here took an extra 10 minutes versus the 12. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get you set up, and we're gonna go ahead and get started with the walkway first, and then work our way over here to the driveway. Okay, everybody, I hope that you learned something about not having a trailer and running a pressure washer business. Maybe this video is going to make you go out and get a trailer. Maybe you can do without a trailer. But at least I hope that you find an entertainment, or at least you learned something from it. If not, go back and look at the video because you skipped over the good parts. Let me say thank you to all the subscribers out there. And if you are not a subscriber, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification button so you know when my next video comes out. Hey, don't go anywhere yet. If you want to see the video of me washing this walkway and the driveway, click on the little icon right here in the corner, so that way you can go ahead and check out the full video. This is Marcos from Equipment Pressure Washer, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
It's him and I, Aquemini.